best solar eclipse in years creeps across Earth. Millions of people in the UK and Northern Europe are witnessing the best solar eclipse in years. In a solar eclipse, a swathe of the Earth is plunged into darkness as the Moon comes between us and the Sun. This process began at 7:41 GMT and the deepest part of the Moon's shadow touched the Earth's surface at 9:13 GMT. In the UK the darkness peaked at about 9:35. Experts are warning people not to look directly at the phenomenon. This is because even during the eclipse, looking directly at the Sun causes serious harm, but there are ways to watch the eclipse safely and many people are looking for a chance to do so. Within the UK, those opportunities are heavily dependent on the cloud cover that currently shrouds much of the country. The deep shadow forms first in the North Atlantic, before sweeping up into the Arctic Circle and ending at the North Pole. The UK will not see a solar eclipse on this scale again until 2026, but the British weather is not being especially cooperative. Nonetheless, all parts of the UK are in line to see at least 83% of the Sun's disk obscured by the Moon. The eclipse is a morning show. The exact moment of greatest darkness for UK skywatchers will be dependent on the location. Cloud may obscure the view of the eclipse for many in the UK. Viewers in Cornwall will get the first chance of seeing the eclipse, but areas of Leicestershire, the Midlands, southern Wales, as well as some parts of Scotland may get the best show. Penzance, in Cornwall, for example, has this moment at 9:23 GMT, whereas for Lerwick in the Shetland Islands, it happens at 9:43 GMT. For the Shetlands, the eclipse is very nearly total at 97%. To experience totality requires going further north still. Ocean darkness. However, few land areas fall directly in the path of the Moon's deepest shadow, its so-called umbra, and seabirds will probably get the best eclipse experience. The period of greatest darkness, nearly 3 minutes, will occur over a spot in the Norwegian Sea, a little below the Arctic Circle, at 9:46 GMT. Many professional and amateur astronomers have positioned themselves in the Faroe Islands, where the capital city of Tórshavn gets totality for a full 2 minutes, beginning just before 9:41 GMT. And those who could not book a flight or a hotel for the Faroes have gone to Svalbard, where the capital city of Longyearbyen witnesses 2.5 minutes of totality, starting shortly after 10:10 GMT.